Hey guys, Brian Wright here, Strong First Team Leader. I'm making this video because I'm getting a lot of questions about the speed switch in the 5-minute snatch event for the Tactical Strength Challenge. So I wanted to go over how I learned the speed switch, but make 3 points before I do that. The first one is you don't need it. Just understand that if you have a good, strong foundation in how to do the snatch, you will do just fine in both the Tactical Strength Challenge as well as a Strong First instructor snatch test. So the latter, of course, being really not about speed, but more about 100 quality snatches in under 5 minutes. The TSC certainly does not mean that we're looking for non-quality snatches, but the focus certainly is going to be speed. The second point that I'd like to make before learning the speed switch is that just train strength. Shockingly enough, Strong First wants you to be really strong, and if you train for strength, this 24 kilo bell or whatever bell is appropriate for your weight and division will be so light you can bang those things out no problem. Okay? And then last, I would just like to say that if you train your conditioning and don't stop for 5 minutes, you won't really need the speed switch. Okay? And there's a couple of different ways to train that conditioning, most notably some of the big, strong endurance plans. Those things that affect not just heart and lungs, but also the local conditioning, meaning your hips. So on to the speed switch though, for those individuals that do find it gives you an extra edge in speed. So how I learned it was doing a high pull, a close high pull, and adding a hand switch to it. So the normal hand switch would be at a swing, right? And so normally we would do a snatch, and when I want to switch hands, I would do a swing switch, and then snatch again, okay? Well, if I start adding a high pull and then a hand switch, I start training that motion here, okay? So remember, your high pull almost wants to be a snatch. I mean, it is almost going to finish that motion, and all I have to do is just punch through. So when you're ready with a lighter bell, as you begin to learn and build up to your target bell, you'll be ready for those snatches. There's the high pull, there's the snatch. Okay? So all you do is just finish one of those transfers into a snatch. Try that out with a light bell, see how it goes, and see if that adds a little bit of speed, assuming you've gotten those other prerequisites. All right, have fun. Hope to see you at the TSC.